CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
You're hurtling toward a wet corner at 60 miles per hour. You slam the brakes. In that split second, you face the hard-easy paradox. Do you trust your foot, or do you trust the ghost in the pedal? That vibration isn't a failure. It's a computer fighting the laws of physics to keep you alive. I'm your Car Help Out technician, and today we're exposing the truth about that little amber light on your dash, the detail almost everyone misses until it's too late. When this ABS light stares back at you, it's not just a suggestion, it's a warning that your safety net has vanished. Is it safe to drive? Most people get this wrong. Stick with me for the next 6 minutes. We're going deep into the mechanics, the failures, and the controversy that local TV won't tell you. Imagine it's 10:30 at night, you've followed your sleep hygiene, you're sharp, but the road is slick. A deer jumps out, you hit the brakes, and nothing happens. No pulse, just a skid. That's what happens when you choose the easy path of ignoring maintenance. The hard-easy paradox states that ignoring the hard repair now leads to a permanent state of disaster later. In this case, a $20 sensor was covered in road salt. The computer went blind. It didn't know the wheels had locked. It didn't intervene. It just let the car slide. This isn't fear-mongering, it's forensic data. To understand why that light matters, we have to look at what the ABS actually does when everything is working perfectly. ABS stands for Anti-Lock Braking System. Its job isn't actually to stop the car faster, it's to keep your wheels rotating so you can still steer while you're stopping. The system monitors your wheel speed 15 times a second. If it detects a lockup, it releases and reapplies the brakes faster than any human possibly could. Tone and speed. Pause. Emphasis. It starts with the electronic control unit, the brain. It takes data from sensors at each wheel and decides exactly when to intervene in your braking. Then there's the muscle, the hydraulic pump and valves. These solenoids block and release pressure to individual wheels independently. A human can't do that. Think about it. If your left tires are on ice and your right are on dry pavement, the ABS brakes each wheel differently to keep you from spinning out of control. That's the silent guardian. But what happens when the system fails? There are 4 major things you'll notice when the ABS light goes bad. Let's break down the data. Number 1. Pedal sensation. A failing ABS module can make your brake pedal feel rock hard or dangerously spongy if air gets trapped in the modulator valves. Number 2. Early activation. A dirty sensor might think you're skidding when you're just stopping at a red light. You'll feel that vibration when you don't want it. Number 3. Speedometer failure. In many modern cars, your speedometer uses the ABS sensors to track your speed. If the module dies, your speedometer might just flatline. And number 4. The phantom hum. An internal short can cause the ABS pump to run constantly, even when the car is parked, eventually killing your battery. Now here's where the controversy starts. Is it safe to drive with that light on? Every old-school mechanic will tell you, your regular brakes still work, so don't worry about it. They're technically right. Your hydraulic system still functions. In dry weather, you probably won't notice a difference. But that's a dangerous, easy choice. What they don't tell you is that your traction control and stability control are now dead too. They rely on the same ABS hardware. You've just lost your entire electronic safety net. In an emergency swerve, those front wheels will lock, and once they lock, you aren't steering anymore. You're a passenger on a 2-ton sled. Is that a gamble you want to take? Choosing the hard path means dealing with the repair now. It's inconvenient. It costs money. But it buys you the easy state of permanent safety on the road. Proactive maintenance is the hallmark of the choose hard lifestyle.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
You don't wait for the failure to happen. You listen to the warnings your car is giving you today. My professional advice: don't just clear the code. Use a bidirectional scan tool to look at live wheel speed data. Find the root cause, usually a dirty sensor or a frayed harness. If it's the module itself, don't ignore the hum. A running pump will burn itself out, turning a simple circuit repair into a $1,000 hydraulic job. Choose the hard fix now. Let's recap. The ABS light isn't just a bulb. It's the heartbeat of your safety system. It prevents lockups, keeps you steering, and protects you from terminal skids. When it goes bad, you lose your safety net, your traction control, and your peace of mind. Driving with it on is a gamble with physics that you're destined to lose. If you value data over myths, hit that subscribe button. We're building a community of drivers who choose the hard path of knowledge over the easy path of ignorance. Drop a comment below. Have you ever felt that ABS pulse save your life? Or has that light been staring at you for months? Let's debate the physics in the comments. I'm your car help out technician. Don't just drive, understand your machine. Choose hard, live easy. I'll see you in the next diagnostic. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.